Today, we're taking a look at plants that shine with their spectacular leaf color. Whether you're gardening in sun, shade, or somewhere in between, bold plant color can make your garden shine all year long. Let's start with Syngonium Neon, often called the pink arrowhead plant. This gorgeous plant brings a soft, rosy glow wherever it's planted. Those bright pink leaves have a slight metallic sheen that really stand out. Syngonium Neon loves bright, indirect light, but it also performs well in low light areas, making it perfect for use in containers, on porches, patios, and indoor garden spaces. If you are looking to illuminate an area, the Blondie fern is hard to beat. Its fronds emerge a brilliant golden yellow and hold their color beautifully, especially in filtered shade or morning sun. This fern thrives in moist, well-drained soil, and its bold, luminous foliage brightens dark corners like a garden spotlight. For sunny landscapes, Duranta erecta golden edge delivers unmatched color. Its leaves are edged in chartreuse to golden yellow, creating a vivid contrast against the rich green centers. This plant thrives in full sun, which intensifies its color and keeps its growth compact. It's heat-tolerant, drought-tough once established, and makes a great hedge or container plant. As you can see, plants with brightly colored foliage bring lasting color long after the flowers fade. I'm Eddie Smith. I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.